Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable dark mode in any Android smartphone. So I will tell you almost 3 to 4 ways by which you can enable dark mode forcibly in your Android smartphone. So as you know, in new smartphone, we already have a dark mode. As you can see here, I have already enabled it. So let's go to the settings. So when you go into the settings of dark mode, you see I have enabled dark mode, and this dark mode is for all my phone. But as you can see, some of my apps are in dark mode. As you can see, YouTube is in dark mode, but some of my apps like this app is not in dark mode. So I will apply dark mode to it as well. So go to the settings and search for dark mode. After that, you need to click here, dark mode for third-party apps. Click here and enable the dark mode for all the apps you want. Here are all the apps on which you can enable dark mode. So I have just enabled dark mode on Bitly. So let's see if it has worked or not. So here, as you can see, it has now gone dark, and it was the first method. Now let's show you rest of the methods. So if your Android phone is Android 10 or above, then we have an app called Dark App, and I will provide the link in description for its download, or you can just go to Google and search for Dark App. After that, go to the first link, and from here, from APK Mirror, you can download this app. So its size is almost 12 MBs. So from here you can download it. If dark mode is not working on your smartphone, and if your smartphone is Android 10 and above, and all the versions are here, try some of them and some of them will work for you. And this was the second method for all of you who have Android 10. Now for the users who have Android 2.2 till Android 9, so there is this app called Dark Mode, and it is present on App Store, Google Play Store. From here you can download this app, or you can also download this app from the Google as well. So, and the last method, which is in developers option, so let me show you that. So you need to enable developer options in your smartphone by going to about phone and click on version, and click the build number 7 times. After that, you will enter the developer options. Now go back into settings and search here for developer options, or if you are using Realme smartphone, then just go to additional settings and scroll down, and here you will see developer options. Here, go here and scroll down, and keep going, and here you see override force dark. This will override the force dark feature to be always on, and after enabling this option, the dark mode will stay on all of your apps. This was the fourth method, and I hope these methods work for you, and if they does, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel for more tricks. Goodbye.